Dear students, I hope you all are fine. My name is Miss Sandhila Shaukat. Today I will tell you an interesting story about Ali. Ali was playing with his toy car and accidentally he breaks it. Can you tell me how he is going to fix it? Yes, he will use glue to fix it. In the same way, conjunctions are like glue that join two sentences to make one. So today our topic is conjunctions. Say it with me. Conjunctions. What are the spellings? Conjunctions. What is this word? Conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that join words or group of words. As I told you that conjunctions are like glue. It helps things to join together. Conjunctions are used to make sentences shorter and more direct, while the meaning remains the same. So, conjunctions are used to make sentences shorter and more direct. When you make the sentences shorter and more direct, their meaning remains the same. Dear, today we will learn two conjunctions, and but. Which conjunctions we will learn today? And but. And is known as the matchmaker. Say it with me. The matchmaker. Why and is called the matchmaker? Because it connects things that go together and is used to join sentences that are related to each other. In conjunctions, we change two different sentences into one, removing the full stop of the first sentence and the repeated words of the second sentence. As you can see on your screen that I have removed full stop and then I have removed I want. So after removing full stop and repeated words, I will use conjunction. In this sentence, I want an apple. I want a pear. I remove full stop and I want because I want was a repeated words. Instead of writing repeated words, I will use conjunction. I want an apple and a pear. Now let's see second example. I visited Minare Pakistan. I enjoyed a lot. Have you seen Minare Pakistan, students? Okay, and where it is situated? It is in Lahore. Where is it? It is in Lahore. In the above example, the second sentence tells us what to expect next. We only omit pronoun from it while joining. Who will tell me that in the second sentence, where is pronoun? Yes, I is a pronoun. So, while writing sentence and while adding conjunction and we will just omit pronoun. I visited Minare Pakistan and enjoyed a lot. Now another example. Conjunctions are words that join two sentences together. I like cats and dogs. Next conjunction we will learn today is but. But is known as the king conflict. What is it known as? The king conflict. It connects the ideas that are different from each other. It is used to join sentences that have opposite ideas.
In this example, he is saying, I want an apple. I don't want a mango. In the first sentence, he is saying, I want an apple. And in the second sentence, he is saying, I don't want a mango. In these sentences, the idea is opposite. We can use conjunction but to make these two sentences more shorter and more direct. We will write it like this. I want an apple but not a mango.
In the second example, an elephant is a big animal. Rat is a small animal. Can you see the picture on your screen? Yes. Elephant is a big animal and rat is a small animal. Now these are two different sentences with opposite ideas. An elephant is a big animal, but rat is a small animal. Join the sentences using conjunction but. First picture is of summers. Second picture is of winters. Summers are hot. Winters are cold. So, which conjunction we will use? But. Summers are hot, but winters are cold. Now it's time for some activity. Dear students, you have to give answers of the following questions using conjunction and. First question is, which subjects do you like the most? Yes. Okay, you like science, you like English, you like maths, you like Urdu. And if I tell you about my favorite subjects is I like science and English. Second question is which games do you like to play? Hockey, badminton, cricket, volleyball. And if I tell you about my favorite games, I like to play cricket and badminton. Which colors do you like to wear? Yellow, red, purple, orange, black, pink, yellow. But I like to wear black and purple. Now tell me about your dislikes about the same things. Ask in above questions using conjunction but. First question is, which subjects do you like the most? I like science and English, but I don't like maths. Next is, which games do you like to play? I play cricket and badminton, but I don't play hockey. Next question is, which colors do you like to wear? I like to wear black and white, but I don't wear blue. So in this activity, what we did, we used both conjunctions and but. And is known as the matchmaker and but is known as the king conflict. Dear students, today we will learn two more conjunctions or because. Our next conjunction is or is also called Mr. Choice. Why it is called Mr. Choice? Because it connects the choices. Would you like to have some coffee? Would you like to have some tea? Now, in this example question, they are asking you whether you want a coffee or tea. Instead of writing whole question, you can write conjunction or. Would you like to have some coffee or tea? So conjunction or is used where you have choices.
In this example, I will go by a train, I will go by a bus. Now, in these two sentences, there is a choice. I will go by a train, I will go by a bus. So, the choice is train or a bus. Instead of writing whole sentence, we will write it like this. I will go by a train or a bus.
And last conjunction is because. Because is also called the cause queen. Why it is called the cause queen? Because it gives reason. In this example, Ali didn't go to school yesterday. He was ill. Now in this example, they are telling that Ali didn't go to school yesterday. And in the second part of the sentence, they are telling that why he didn't go to school. Because he was ill. So whenever there is a reason, you add conjunction because in the sentence. Ali didn't go to school yesterday because he was ill. In this example, I went to the zoo. I wanted to see a tiger. In the first sentence, I am telling that I went to the zoo. And in the second part of the sentence, I am telling the reason that why I went to the zoo. I wanted to see a tiger. So I am giving a reason that why I went to the zoo. So whenever there is a reason in the sentence, we use conjunction because. I went to the zoo because I wanted to see a tiger.
Now it's time for some activity. You have to use conjunction because. First question is, which subject do you like the most and why? Dear students, you have to think about your favorite subject. Then you will give me the reason that why you like that subject. If I tell you about my favorite subject, it is science. I like science because it gives me information about space. My next question is, which game do you like to play and why? Yes? Okay, if I tell you, I like to play cricket because it keeps me fit. My last question is, which color do you like to wear and why? Yes, just think, which color do you like the most and why? What is the reason? I like to wear red color because it suits me.
Dear students, now let's recap. We have learned conjunction and the matchmaker, but the king conflict or Mr. Choice because the cause queen. Conjunctions and it is used to join the sentences that are related to each other. But it is used to join the sentences that have opposite ideas. Or it is used to offer a choice between sentences. It is used to offer a choice between sentences. Because it is used to join two sentences when the second sentence tells about a reason. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.